Harebrained, written and recited by the Surlyfoot Bard. Back in the day, I am proud to say, in 2nd edition I started. D&D was so cool with many a rule that I learned with a passion wholehearted. Pen, paper, and dice, a DM to entice their players to inhabit a land of magic and lore, NPCs to adore with the power of the cosmos in hand. That being said, I recall with dread a rule most certainly wacko, a system to hit it really was shit. That's right, I am speaking of Thaco. What's Thaco, you ask? A mathematical task, and yes, I know it's not even a word, but if you could produce the number to use, then you were a bona fide nerd. But I'm moving too fast with this blast from the past. If you wish to be a 2nd ed hero, from the letters you glean that the acronym mean what you need to hit armor class 0. A 0 to strike? Well, what's not to like? Quite easy by D20 measure. For armorless foes, make for quick killing blows and adventuring groups greatest pleasure. But sadly, that's not how Thaco was wrought. Dice rolling turned right on its head. I'll try to decode this 2nd ed mode that grognard DMs still retread. For this mechanical widget, you start with the digit that level and class calculate. But common sense will offend, for as level ascends, Thaco moves at a contrary rate. With Thaco now known, but before dice are thrown, you have to make one more small tweak. From Thaco, subtract your foe's AC stat, and that is the number you seek. Now, you rolled kind of bad, but you still get to add your bonus from weapon and stats, and as rules have shown us, add dice roll to bonus. And if you hit the target, congrats. It's confusing so far, but gets more bizarre when you learn armor's place in this equation, for hit chances waver in friend or foe's favor as determined by inverse persuasion. The higher AC, the worse off you'd be, for light armor's values were bigger. Low armor class, though, would stymie your foe, so you wanted a negative figure. So you have some examples, I leave you these samples. If your Thaco was valued 11, and you were fighting a boar with armor class 4, then you wanted to roll at least 7. But if your AC was a -3, and you battled an old hippogriff with a Thaco of 9, then 12 is the line, with anything under a whiff. Well, now I've explained this system harebrained. I gave commentary aplenty. I'll describe it no more. It would soon be a bore. Just thank wizards for making D20. I hope you enjoyed the rhymes I employed, for it was my pleasure, although, if you wish to hear more, then I give you a chore. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you did smile, please go one more mile. I will hold you in the highest regard. Please let your friends know of this nerdy rhyme show, and spread word of the Surlyfoot Bard.